Okay, now let's start work with the fourth part of this tutorial. So what I want to do is to be able to click on this display, and all of this information should appear on the spreadsheet itself. So let's do that now. Click on exit. Yeah. Okay, now let's go inside. Yeah, this very button, double click on that, and right there the first thing I'd like to do is to declare as follows: dim, I'm gonna call it WKS as worksheet. There. And dim add new, as the range. Then I'd like it to set WKS equals worksheet 1, and also set add new equals WKS dot range, and it's going to be from A to 65,000 plus. There, that's supposed to be the size, the width of the columns on the spreadsheet. Dot and let's say X up, dot offset 1,0. There. So the first one, I'm going to need the name of those components. So let's say add new dot offset. That will be column 0, 0 dot value. And what will be this value of this very one? Equals, let's say LBL, LBL first name. Is it LBL or TXT? Let's say TXT first name dot text. There. So that's the first one. So I can just copy this across. Okay, the next one should be the surname. Let's come in here. That's a okay. This will be surname. Let's go back in the code. Whoa, where is that? Let's come back there. Double click. There we go. So copy this. Space that as the surname, and after the surname, what do we have? We have, I think we have the address. Yeah, address 1 and 2. Then postcode. This will be 4. So this will be address 1. Address 2. It's 5 and 6 here. Address number 2. Postcode. And we have the mobile. There. Okay, so we need to repeat the same thing for these other ones here. So come right down here. Okay, for the others, I might as well just copy everything and just change the names around. And there we go. So this is going to be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. There. So we just need to now change the names. So what is the name of this? That's the book, and the other one is the book title. Right, go in there, book and book title. So there. And what is the next one that follows? Oh, we have author and date borrowed. Let's go back in there, double click on the button itself. As for the author, there we go. Okay, let's see, dates due. Put that in there, and this is that's a caption. After that we have LB alone. Okay, that's another caption. Paste that and change that to caption. There we go. Now we have 3 more to go. Yeah, that's a text box. Right, change that. And what else? Combo box. Combo box is text as well. There. And finally, course of the book. There we go. Okay. Oh, there's an error here. That should be T. Hopefully there shouldn't be any more errors. Okay, I'm going to run it, but before then, let's just run it and see. Enter whatever in here just to see if it's working fine. That'll be lucky you. An address, one godson. Good. And where is that? Let's say Kilburn. Postcode. Mobile number. There we go. The book you want and date due. There. Click on that. That should be displayed on the spreadsheet. So let's see the spreadsheet itself. So we'll just move this down. There we go, guys. That's everything on the spreadsheet. All I just need to do now is to enter title here. So I'm going to do that. Let's end the whole process and bring out the spreadsheet to enter the title. Okay, bring the spreadsheet out, and here that's going to be member type, and followed by, make sure it's bold though, Control B, just make it bold, and that's going to be reference. Reference number. Now we have title, first name, surname, address, address 1, address number 2, postcode, mobile number. Okay, so that's that. I will now speed it up for the other side and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, those are the title on board, so I think that's fine now. So we can just try it one more time. So I'm just gonna save that and just minimize that and run the program again. Then we then take care of the reset and delete. Okay, one more time, lecturer, and that is the reference number, the title. Oh, there should be professor there. Okay, doctor, that's fine. And let's say Johnny Anthony. Okay, Johnny Anthony South, address 1, Peters Way. Let's say St. John Avenue. Code, postcode is UU, whatever. Telephone number. The books. What kind of book does he want? I love Canada. When is it due? There. And overdue? No. There we go. Click on display, but before that let's open the spreadsheet itself right there. So before I click on add, so if I click on display, there we go. You see that, guys? It's working how we want. Right, that's fine. Look at that. It's brilliant. So all that is left for me to do is just to take care of these 2 buttons, so we can just call it the end of the program. So let's go back into our code right here. Let's look for very easy lines of code to copy and just call it a day. Let's go back in here, double click on that. I need all these names, so let me copy them. Now come right in here, double click on delete, paste, get rid of all of these. All we just want is to there, that's fine. Let's paste it there. Now then delete it individually. Right, delete these ones. And that will be the end of the whole program. So let me just speed that up and I'll get back to you guys very soon. Okay, that's my reset line, or let's call it clear or delete lines of codes. So I'm going to copy that and use the same lines of code for the reset. Now double click on reset and just paste that there. So let's run it and see. And if we click on reset, there we go. And exit. There. It's working how we want it to work. There's something I noticed. Okay, if I click on reset, if I click on reset, I actually lose the reference. Okay, delete will get rid of it, but I will want the reference back. So let's go back to the initialized lines of code, and I'm going to copy my random numbers here. There, let's go into reset, and so with the reset we can always reset that. So let's run it. Enter our data. So let's enter whatever in there. It's the speed up your process, and right there. Good. Delete and reset. There we go, guys. Let's try it one more time. Let's select a lecturer, and let's say it's a doctor, and what's the name? Let's say Jonathan. Billman. And address is 15. Let's see. Labels and postcode. Mobile number. There we go. And that is going to be in big town. And then there. So with that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it, and you all have a nice day now. Bye for now.